Hey there, future thinkers. Welcome back to AIinMedicine, where we explore the cutting-edge frontiers of technology. I'm your host, and today, get ready to dive into a topic that's revolutionizing the way we approach healthcare. Artificial intelligence in medical diagnosis. Imagine a world where our understanding of medical diagnoses is not just based on human expertise, but enhanced by the incredible power of artificial intelligence. That's the world we're stepping into today. AI can process and comprehend complicated data patterns that human clinicians might find challenging to identify, which is one of its main advantages in medical diagnosis. Artificial intelligence algorithms can identify and characterize diseases by identifying minor abnormalities in medical imaging, such as MRIs and X-rays. AI is also capable of integrating and analyzing a variety of datasets from various sources, which helps to identify potential risk factors and enhances treatment accuracy. AI algorithms in medical imaging. AI has achieved unprecedented precision in the interpretation of medical imaging data. AI systems analyze images with previously unknown accuracy from MRIs to X-rays, resulting in more accurate and timely diagnoses. The quick development of AI algorithms keeps medical imaging getting better and better. These developments not only improve diagnostic precision but also open the way for cutting-edge methods in radiology and diagnostic imaging. AI is currently being used by radiologists and other healthcare workers as a valued collaborator in the interpretation of complex imaging data. Medical professionals can make better decisions since AI can identify tiny problems. Machine learning for disease identification. Predictive analytics, which helps with early disease identification, is one of AI's cutting-edge uses. The success stories of AI-driven disease prediction highlight the technology's potential in healthcare. Artificial intelligence, AI, is proving to be a useful tool in the diagnosis of diseases, from predicting the start of ongoing disorders to identifying genetics. Clinical practices using machine learning integration. The incorporation of machine learning into clinical practices signifies a shift towards more data-driven and personalized healthcare. AI insights are being used by medical professionals more and more to guide their diagnosis and treatment choices. AI-assisted diagnostic tools. AI-assisted diagnostic tools combine the power of artificial intelligence algorithms with medical expertise to enhance the accuracy and efficiency of medical diagnoses. Here are some examples of AI-assisted diagnostic tools. The following are a few instances of AI-assisted diagnostic instruments. Radiology, AI systems can examine X-rays, CT scans, and MRI pictures to assist radiologists in spotting anomalies and reaching more precise diagnosis conclusions. These algorithms can segment organs or lesions, identify patterns suggestive of specific diseases, and flag possible areas of concern. Pathology, AI can help pathologists find tumors or other abnormalities in biopsy samples by analyzing the samples. Cardiology, artificial intelligence, AI, systems can analyze electrocardiogram, ECG, data to find anomalies and help with cardiac diagnosis. With the use of these instruments, one may analyze ECG patterns and spot anomalies that might point to ischemia, arrhythmias, or other cardiac problems. Clinical decision support systems. These systems employ artificial intelligence, AI, to evaluate patient data, such as symptoms, medical histories, and test results, and then provide clinicians advice and insights to help with diagnosis. They can support medical professionals in making treatment recommendations, suggesting suitable tests, and identifying possible diagnoses. These AI-assisted diagnostic technologies could increase productivity, decrease errors, and improve diagnosis accuracy in healthcare settings. Several future paths and improvements in the field of AI-assisted diagnostic tools are being developed to improve healthcare outcomes and diagnostic accuracy. To begin, there is attention to combining multimodal data, such as medical pictures, genetic data, and clinical records, to deliver more comprehensive and reliable diagnostic insights. AI algorithms are now considered black boxes since their decision-making processes are not always easily interpretable by humans. Real-time and remote diagnostics are emerging as future directions as well. AI-assisted diagnostic tools will be able to be utilized remotely as healthcare and mobile health technologies advance, helping medical personnel to make timely and accurate diagnoses, particularly in medical emergencies or in locations with restricted access to healthcare. In the future, technology and human expertise will work together peacefully for the benefit of everybody, leading to further research and ethical AI development.